Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this playlist, we will start Python, but before starting Python, we need to install a software known as Anaconda. To download that software, open your Google Chrome and search Anaconda Python. Click on the second link. Then click on the products, and go to Individual Edition. Scroll down a little bit, and click on Downloads. Then automatically, it will show you different versions for different operating systems. For now we are using Windows 64-bit, so click on 64-bit Windows and let it be download. When downloading will be done, just install it. If your installation is done, click on Start and search Anaconda. It will show you Anaconda Navigator. Click on Anaconda Navigator. Soon, it will open your application. Your software will look like this. In this you will get lot of applications. But to learn Python we will use Jupyter Notebook, so click on Launch button of Jupyter Notebook. It will start launching it. There are a lot of ways to open Notebook. For beginners it the most easy way. Automatically it will open new window in your browser. So here it is your notebook to learn Python. We will see how to use it in next video. Subscribe for more video.